In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable options on Schwab. Options trading isn't turned on by default at Charles Schwab, so you'll need to apply for approval before you can place options trades. I'll walk you through the fastest online method, explain the approval levels, cover what Schwab looks for, and share a few practical tips to help your application go smoothly. Start by logging in to your Schwab account. From your dashboard, go to the Profile section, then look for the area labeled Margin and Options. If you have more than one account, select the specific account you want to enable. Next, choose Apply for Options Trading. You'll be asked to pick the options level you're seeking. Select the level that truly matches your knowledge and comfort, because Schwab evaluates how well your experience fits what you're requesting. Now fill out the application. You'll see questions about your income and net worth, your investment objectives, your trading experience, and your risk tolerance. Be accurate and consistent. If you have any options experience, include it clearly, such as the types of strategies you've used and how frequently you trade. When you're done, submit the application. Approval typically takes 1 to 5 business days, and you'll be notified once a decision is made. It helps to understand how Schwab structures options approval. Level 0 is basic and allows covered calls only. Level 1 is for beginners with some experience and permits buying calls and puts, plus cash-secured puts. Level 2 opens the door to spreads like vertical spreads, which involve both buying and selling options in a defined risk structure. Level 3 is the most advanced and includes uncovered or naked options, which carry the highest risk. You must apply for and be approved for each level. Approval at a lower level does not automatically grant higher-level permissions. Schwab reviews a few key areas to determine suitability: your trading experience, your financial situation, your risk tolerance, and your account type. For example, IRA accounts have restrictions and cannot use margin or engage in high-risk strategies, so expect tighter limits there. To improve your chances of approval, consider starting with Level 1 or Level 2, which are generally easier to obtain. Demonstrate at least some trading experience if you're aiming beyond the most basic permissions, and avoid selecting no experience if you want a higher level. Remember, you can upgrade later by reapplying as your experience grows or your situation changes. That's it. Apply online, understand the levels, align your request with your experience, and watch for your approval within a few business days. Options involve risk and aren't suitable for everyone, so choose carefully and trade responsibly.